Hey, what's really good, guys? Welcome back to his back at it. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. You know what I'm saying? Hey, click on the heart, alright? Give thanks. Show your love by giving contribution to this channel, alright? You know how it goes. Since you're watching this for free. 2020 Kia Forte. How to reset the oil life. Okay. Just gonna start the car. You know what I'm saying? Car is running right now. Don't forget to subscribe too, alright? Do that. You see that message? Service required. Okay, all you're gonna do is play with this guy, pause, and then bring it down. Go to service interval. Okay, click OK. It's gonna go in. Now, press and hold OK. Press and hold it. Now, press OK again. Now you reset the oil life in this Kia 2020 Forte. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people been saying, yo, this procedure is not for my car, this and that. But I got you, baby. I got you. This is how you do it, alright? I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy S2. Click on the heart, god damn it. Right there where it says stands. Do that, alright? Show your appreciation. Give your contribution to the channel. Holla at your boy S2. Catch you in the next one.